Richard RM031 high performance chronometer watch with caliber RM031 manual winding movement with hours, minutes, small seconds and functions indicator. RM031 is a timepiece that combines watchmaking tradition with pioneering concept despite its orthodox design. It is the result of determined desire to create the world's most consistent mechanical caliber. This is a high ambitious goal that demands a variations of less than 30 seconds per month from the RM031, which is far more difficult to obtain than more traditional daily accuracy rates, allowing variations accuracy of 5 to 8 seconds per day. Caliber of RM031 is equipped with an AP direct impulse escapement developed by APR and P for Admiral's Pigot. This escapement represents a subtle combination of detent escapement and Swiss anchor escapement. Baseplate and bridges are machined from ARCAP, a material used for the first time in watchmaking in Richard Mille caliber RM002. ARCAP is renowned for its physical characteristics, which included corrosion resistance and anti-magnetic properties. These superlative technical characteristics are combined with outstanding hand finishing operations. Many of our work and requirement to produce each of the movements components perfectly exemplified by the microblasted base plate. Round case 50 mm by 13.90 mm is made in 4 parts according to exceptionally complex design and has been chamfered, polished and brushed for a unique finish. Lastly, in perfect demonstrations of the attention devoted to every detail, the lugs are carefully designed to extend the lines of the case while following the curve of the strap.